Let's see how
1,
many papers it takes to hold each item. 1,
2,
1,
3,
1,
4,
1.
5,
1 again. 1,
1,
1. Only 1,
1,
1. 1,
1,
1. No way. 1,
1,
1. No.
2,
2. Still no.
4,
4. There we go.
1,
1. No.
2,
2. There we go. 1. Oh, this one looks heavy, bro.
2,
2. No.
4,
4. Still no.
16,
16. Pretty close.
32.
32. There we go.